Today's product spotlight is on the Tesla UK EasyPlug wiring connector. The EasyPlug allows for ease of installation of a number of products and components relating to a wiring centre. There is now no need to open up that wiring centre and trace old wires back to old broken components. Simply cut the cable, install your new component and wire it in using this efficient and time-effective device. To use, simply remove the securing faceplate, squeeze together the two holding clips and pull apart. They are CE and UKCA marked and they are perfect for installing components such as zone valves or central heating pumps, amongst many others. If you would like more information on this product or would like to become a stockist, please get in touch. Thank you for watching.